Hello, dear friends! For today's mukbang, let's make a pineapple jelly. Pineapple jelly is so tasty, like that. I can't wait to try it first. Let's put pineapple jelly syrup in our bowl. Let it cool for a second, like that, and now it's cool. Next, put the icing and toppings on the top. Then, put a sprinkler on our pineapple jelly. Perfect! Finally, it's ready. Let's eat it. Yum, yum, yum! This is so delicious. I want to eat more of it. Hello, my dear friends. Now this is the last one. It's finished. Like and comment what should I try next.